Hi, I'm Jason Alston, and today we're going to dive into a fundamental exercise that's great for both flexibility and relieving tension, the cat-cow stretch. This is a gentle, flowing movement that's fantastic for your spine, neck, and core muscles. I'll start by quickly showing you how to do the stretch, and then for those of you that want a deeper understanding of how the stretch benefits your body, I'll dive into those details afterwards. So whether you're new to exercise or an experienced practitioner, the cat-cow stretch is a versatile tool that can help you maintain a healthy spine and improve overall mobility. Plus, it complements Myopractic care perfectly by enhancing your body's natural movement patterns. Feel free to use the chapters at the bottom of the screen to jump to any section of the video that interests you the most. Now let's quickly go through the cat-cow stretch together. Start on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. As you inhale, arch your back, dropping your belly towards the floor, and lift your head and tailbone towards the ceiling. This is the cow pose. Then as you exhale, round your back towards the ceiling, tucking your chin to your chest and pulling your belly button towards your spine. This is the cat pose. Repeat this movement, flowing smoothly between the two positions. Aim for about 10 to 15 repetitions to start, adjusting as needed based on your comfort level. It's that simple, and just a few minutes of this can make a big difference in how your back and neck feel. I have more videos and playlists that target specific areas of the body to help you achieve overall wellness, so be sure to check those out too. Now, for those of you who want to dive deeper, I'm going to break down the details of why this stretch is so effective, covering the muscles involved, the benefits, and how to get the most out of this exercise. Let's start by getting into position. Begin on your hands and knees, making sure that your wrists are aligned directly under your shoulders and your knees are under your hips. This position is called the tabletop position, and it's your starting point for the cat-cow stretch. As you inhale, you're going to move into cow pose. This is where you arch your back, allowing your belly to drop towards the floor while you lift your head and tailbone towards the ceiling. What's happening here is that you're engaging the erector spinae muscles along your spine. These muscles are crucial for maintaining posture and helping you stand up straight. You're also lengthening the muscles in front of your body, including the abdominals, which helps to stretch out any tension that might be building up. Now, as you exhale, transition into the cat pose. Round your back towards the ceiling, tucking your chin to your chest and pulling your belly button towards your spine. This movement engages the abdominal muscles, particularly the rectus abdominis and the transverse abdominis. These muscles are important for core stability and support. At the same time, you're stretching the muscles along the spine, particularly the erector spinae, in the opposite direction from the cow pose. You're also gently stretching the muscles in your neck, which can help relieve tension and often builds up from poor posture and stress. This stretch can be particularly effective when combined with Myopractic care, helping to maintain the alignment and mobility of your spine. Throughout this exercise, it's important to maintain a smooth, flowing movement. You should feel a gentle stretch along your spine and abdomen, but it should never be painful. If you experience any sharp pain or excessive tension in your lower back, it's a sign to reduce the range of motion or stop the exercise altogether. Remember, the goal is to enhance mobility and relieve tension, not to push your body beyond its limits. If being on your hands and knees is uncomfortable, don't worry, there's an alternative. You can perform a similar movement while seated. Simply sit in a chair with your feet flat on the ground, and as you inhale, arch your back gently, lifting your chest forward. As you exhale, round your back, pulling your belly button inwards. This seated variation allows you to get the benefits of the cat-cow stretch without the strain on your knees. Now let's talk briefly about the muscles involved in this stretch and their functions. The erector spinae muscles, which run along the spine, are responsible for extending the spine and helping to maintain an upright posture. When you move into the cow pose, these muscles are contracting to create the arch in your back. On the other hand, the abdominal muscles, including the rectus abdominis and the transverse abdominis, are key players in core stability. During the cat pose, these muscles engage to help round your back, providing stability and control. Additionally, the neck muscles, particularly the sternocleidomastoid and the scalene muscles, play a role in the movement of your head and neck, aiding in both the extension and flexion of the neck during the stretch. The cat-cow stretch is a powerful yet simple exercise that targets some of the most important muscle groups in your body. By regularly incorporating this stretch into your routine, you can improve your spinal flexibility, relieve tension in your neck and back, and strengthen your core. This exercise pairs beautifully with Myopractic care to help you maintain optimal alignment and movement in your body. Now, proper form is crucial. Using a mirror, having a friend check your form, or consulting with a professional can help ensure you're doing these exercises correctly to avoid injury. Please note that advice provided in this video is general and may not apply to every individual. If your healthcare provider has given you advice that differs from what's presented here, it's important that you follow your healthcare provider's guidance. Always consult with a professional if you're unsure about any exercises or stretches. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified for future videos. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.